What if I told you could move to the UK in 5 days? This is not a joke. I know you'd come for me, you'd say, is she joking? What's she talking about? I am serious. You can come to the UK just within 5 days. You know why? Because of the priority visa service. Okay? I remember when I was coming to the UK, I paid for that priority service. I got a decision in 3 days only. So if you pay for the priority service, which can take between 3 to 5 days for you to get your decision, you're already on your way to the UK. But to do that, you either need a sponsor or you're paying for your own visa, whatever. Whether you're coming as a visitor or as a worker or whatever route you're coming with, you can get your decision within 5 days. So but in this video, we're going to look at a means for you to come. We know that immigration is really tight on overseas applicants lately. So it has not been easy for people to migrate, especially those that are hoping to come under the healthcare visa. It has really not been easy. Things are tight, security is tight. But I'm going to show you another way you can come to the UK without having any issues at all, which is the charity worker visa. I talk about it a lot on this channel, but people are not really taking up this opportunity. Okay, you're there complaining, if I come, can I switch? Just come, just take the bold step and move to the UK first before you start thinking about, can I switch, can I do this and that. So I'm going to show you a charity organization that, first of all, they recruit internationally. They recruit workers from overseas. Secondly, they accept volunteers. So if you want to work for them, you can check out their vacancies and submit your application. But if you also want to come as a volunteer, submit your application to them and they will contact you. If they contact you, then you proceed from there. All you need to do is to pay for your visa fee. They will give you the sponsorship that you need. And then you come to the UK. This is the easiest way for you to relocate. So if you're interested, watch the entire video. Don't forget to like this video, by the way. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to submit application today. And let's dive in. So the charity organization we're looking at today is King's Trust International. Okay, this is the homepage. I will leave the link in the description, or you can go on Google and search for kingstrustinternational.org. This page is for overseas applicants. Okay, it says, at the King's Trust International, we are committed to employing the best people for the job. As an international organization working with global partners, we are committed to reflecting the communities we work with at all levels. And then it goes on to say, whilst many of our roles are UK based, we know that talent may come from different backgrounds and regions in the world. That's the reason we have applied for and been granted a rated sponsor license status by the UK Visas and Immigration Department, part of the UK government's Home Office, so we can sponsor suitably qualified people under the skilled worker visa route to work in the UK. Now it says, if the job you are interested in applying for qualifies as a skilled worker role and you do not have the automatic right to work in the UK, you will be considered alongside applicants with the right to work. So you say, even if you don't have a visa yet, you're outside the UK, they are willing to employ you. Remember in the intro, I talked about job vacancies. Here you can work for them even if you live abroad, and you can also volunteer. So we are looking at the job application page. That's for job seekers, those that want to work for them. Okay, so they are saying even if you don't have the right to work in the UK, still apply. They will consider you alongside those that are already in the UK. And because it's an international organization, they are not limiting people that they are employing. They are not limiting the location and all. So wherever you are, you're free to apply. and if you meet the requirement, they will take you. So that is that for this page. Sponsorship does not automatically give you the right to a visa, and there are additional requirements relating to qualifications, English language skills, personal savings, and criminal checks before you could be granted permission to enter the UK. Then you can find more information here on the UK government website. So if you want to work for them, of course, you need to pass your IELTS, and you need to also have a certain amount of money in your account over the period of 28 days. And you're also going to submit a police report for this one. That's if you want to work for them. So let's look at the job page. So if you want to apply for a current job, the current vacancies, recruitment for the King's Trust International is managed by the Prince's Trust. All jobs can be applied via the Prince's Trust job website. So you can check for vacancies. Let's check. So these are the available vacancies right now: education mentor, volunteer, head of prospect development, business mentor, volunteer, fundraising, service owner. These are the available jobs, 22 jobs right now. They have for employment, permanent employment positions and volunteer positions. So if you want education mentor, is in Manchester, you're just going to go ahead and click on that particular job, education mentor, volunteer, King's Trust Company. You're going to work directly with children, young people, and we are now the King's Trust, and we are still working for young people. We've changed our name from the Prince's Trust to the King's Trust, of course, from Prince Charles to King Charles. So rest assured, the support we offer young people remains the same. So look at the job page, Wolseley, every Tuesday beginning on the 29th. So you can go and submit if you want to come as a volunteer. The job was added on 14th March 2025. Okay, just go on and click on apply button. Let's see where it takes us to. It brings you to this page. You're going to now sign up with your email and password. Create a password. So if you have an account, sign in, but if you don't, you create an account. Click on create an account and it opens up like this. You enter your email address, password, and your name, country of region and the code, phone number, country, region of residence. You put Nigeria or Ghana, wherever you are. So you choose your country and your location. If your country is not here, that's it for you. Just choose your country and location, wherever you are. I don't know where you are. I can't speak for you. So once that is done, you submit. So like I said, they have 22 jobs available for permanent workers, and that's permanent employment and volunteers. So anyone you want to do, go ahead and apply, and you wait for them to contact you. So support for candidates. Thank you for your interest in a career with the King's Trust International. As a global positioned organization, we are committed to reflect the global community with whom we work. So this is the recruitment guide for candidates. Check it out. So it says there are 5 key stages in the recruitment process: interest, application, initial sift, interview and assessment, selection and offer. So check it out, guys, and read everything that you need to read about them. So working at the King's Trust International, check who they are, their departments. So this one is for overseas applicants. We've gone there before. Overseas applicant for those that want to be employed. Then this one is for volunteers. This is the section for volunteers. Volunteers are essential and an integral part of Prince's Trust International vision. We welcome the opportunities that can be gained from people volunteering their services to support Prince's Trust International program. Becoming a volunteer is a hugely rewarding experience and provides the opportunity to utilize skills and expertise or experience to support and enhance young people's lives. All volunteers will be subject to a minimum of a UK DBS check or equivalent. On contact with Princess Trust International, newly interested volunteers will be informed about any current positions, then formally interviewed and trained to fully understand background, skills, knowledge, motivation, and the time committed involved. Now it says volunteering opportunities with Princess Trust International in the UK or internationally must always be entered into safely, positively, and to the benefit of young people as a force for good. So I hope you've seen all that you need to see and know about this. Go ahead and start your application. Submit your application. Some of you just relax and wait for YouTubers to do research and bring out videos. Go and send in your application. Even if you get a rejection message, it doesn't matter. At least you've done something. Okay? So guys, do something for yourself. Submit your application. Let me know the progress in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and leave your comment in the comment section. Go straight now and submit your application, and I will see you guys in the next one.